Good morning. This is Wednesday, April 15th, Math 4, and we are on lesson 126, and we're going to continue on working with fractions, except today we're going to be adding and subtracting unlike fractions. Now remember, unlike means that the denominator or the bottom number is not the same, and we have to make them the same in order to do our math problem. So let's look at the first problem, 2/3 plus 5/9. Okay, so in this case, we want to change the denominator to ninths. So I'm going to leave 5/9 the way that it is. Then the 3 I want to make into a 9. So I have to think 3 times what equals 9. 3 times 3 equals 9. Whatever I do to the bottom, I have to do to the top. 2 times 3 equals 6. So I have 6 plus 5 equals 11 ninths. Okay? But I can't leave my answer this way because 11 is bigger than 9. That means it's an improper fraction. And we can't leave it as an improper fraction. So we have to think, okay, how many wholes are there in there? Well, how many... Can we say that there are 9 ninths inside of this 11 ninths? Yes. So we have a 9 ninths, and what would we have left over? Well, 11 minus 9 is 3, so we would also have a 3 ninths. We'll change this one to a 1, so we have 1 and 3 ninths. 1 and 3 ninths is our answer. Now again, you don't have to write all of this. You can just think through this process. But sometimes it helps to see. Okay? All right. 7/8 minus 1/2. Okay, so let's change it to eighths. So let's leave our 7/8 and let's put an 8 here. 2 times what equals 8? 2 times 4 equals 8. Whatever I do to the bottom, I have to do to the top. 1 times 4 equals 4. In this case, we say 7 minus 4 equals 3/8. This fraction looks nice, and so we can keep it. Okay, this is really what you're going to be doing today. Okay, so make sure that when you add these, if you have an improper fraction, you change it to a mixed number, and I don't think you'll have to borrow today. So this should be what your subtraction problems look like today. Okay, good job guys. Thanks. You've been Marco Poloing me when you have questions on it, and I love to help you, so just keep them coming.